In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a future buy if a crypto is going down. For example, is using Bybit. To place a buy order in Bybit futures, if you expect a cryptocurrency's price is to decrease, you can use a limit order or a stop order at a specific lower price point. So here's a step-by-step procedure. First is go to the Bybit trading interface, which is here. And then in the order form, make sure that you have selected limit, which is this. Again, select limit. Now set the limit price and also the quantity of the desired lower price where you want to buy. And also the quantity of the crypto that you want to buy. So after that, just click this buy button. Then your order will execute only and only if the price reaches your specified limit. And that's it. That's how you can place a future buy if a crypto is going down. And thank you for listening.